Hi everybody, welcome back to Cafeadoniya Academy. Now I have a much requested video and I saw this recipe a couple of days back on my Instagram and by a very good friend. So I'll link her page on the description box below, and she's got some incredible and easy to do recipes, so do check it out. Now this recipe is of an egg-free brownie, and what Gina has done is she's got, the picture is so beautiful that I had to try it out and share it with you all. Now please note, this is the first time I'm trying this recipe, so I do not know if my brownies are going to turn out like how hers did. If you want to see how good her brownies look, especially since it's eggless with that beautiful crackle on top, do check out her page and it's in the description box below. So like I said, this is the first time I'm trying out that recipe in front of you all, so I just thought why not share it because it looks incredible. Some very basic ingredients: good quality cocoa powder, baking powder, some castor sugar, condensed milk, unsalted or salted butter, flour, which is your all-purpose flour. If you're using unsalted butter, use a pinch of salt. I'm using salted butter. Some good quality dark chocolate. And this is optional, but I just couldn't leave it out because Nutella is my favorite. So a little bit of Nutella. So that's it. So let's see how to make. Looks quite easy. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my butter. Okay, mix your butter and your melted chocolate, and again microwave this for a few minutes so that the butter is completely melted. In the meantime, I'm adding all my dry ingredients into a large bowl. So add your flour, baking powder and cocoa powder. Sieve it well. So the chocolate and the butter have nicely melted. Do not use compound for this, please. Please use couverture chocolate. So next I'm adding in my condensed milk. So stir it well until it resembles a kind of a fudge batter. Okay, that's good. Everything is nicely incorporated. Now I'm going to add the sugar and then add this liquid ingredients into the dry. Mix it well until all the dry ingredients have vanished into this beautiful batter. Oh my God, it already smells so good. So just make sure there's no dry part of the batter left, and everything is incorporated into this glorious mixture. Next, I have an 8 by 8 inch pan. I've just put 2 strips of parchment paper. Now, in her recipe, she asks us to swirl the Nutella at the end, but I'm going to put half into the batter. Okay, and then just swirl this in the batter so that there's Nutella everywhere, like right through and not just the top. Okay, then she asks us to put it in an 8 by 8 inch square tin. Just look at that batter, so good. So just spread this out. Okay, and then I'm going to put the remaining Nutella on top and just swirl that. Okay, it already smells so good. I just can't wait for it to come out of the oven. So then she says bake it at 170 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes to see if the batter has pulled away from the sides. Okay, so you want them to be fudgy. So I think 30 minutes is fine, she says. So I'm going to put my oven is already heated at 170 and we're going to bake it at 30 minutes for 30 minutes and get back to you. Okay, so the eggless brownies with the Nutella are ready. So this is how they look just out of the oven. Now you need to wait for it to cool completely at room temperature for at least half an hour to 40 minutes, and then preferably put it in the fridge for another hour so that when you cut it, you get very, very neat slices. So I'm just going to lift this out, though it's not the ideal thing to do because this just came out of the oven. Okay, it looked really good, and if you see, it's got light brown skin on top, beautiful crackle, and it's got a fudgy interior. Now, like I said, this is very, very hot. To get neat slices, you have to refrigerate it, but just for this video, I want to show you. If you want thicker brownies, you can put this in a 6 by 6 inch or a 7-inch pan. So just look at that, how fudgy and gooey in the center with a beautiful crackle and a light colored top with a dark center. This is a perfect brownie. Just sprinkle some sea salt and it's all ready. So thank you, Gina, for this yummy, yummy recipe. It's really nice. I just put a little bit in my mouth and it's so gooey and chocolatey and really good. So this tastes good once it's chilled and maybe slightly warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. So thank you so much for watching. And if you want to see Gina's page and the recipe, and which has a lot of more other easy quick recipes, I'll put a link in the description box. Also do subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Until next time, see you.